Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint Tools Help Tools. Let's get started. Throughout the application, you can select the Help button at the top right of the screen. There are several different ways to get help in the application, with this video being one of them. These icons indicate additional ways to get help throughout the application. The orange icon with the letter I allows the user to hover over it, and a tip will appear. The green icon with a question mark is the Click to Open window tip, which displays detailed or mixed context help tips to the user. The red icon with an exclamation point is a Click to Open in window tip, which displays a warning to inform the user that a specific action may have unintended complications. The next icon is a PDF icon, which, when clicked, will link to a PDF file that opens in a new tab. The purple link icon indicates that clicking it will open a web page in a new tab. The red circle with a white triangle icon indicates that clicking it will open a tutorial video, like this one, related to the relevant tool component. That's it. You've just learned about the application's help tools in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. For more help, visit youtube.com/@ncdeq.